In this how-to, I'm going to show you how to create a project. So when you first open enteliVIZ 5, you'll be prompted in the welcome window here to create a new project. So you'll have a few different options of different profiles. So what a profile is a type of layout. So the first one is a default profile, which is just a blank graphic. So if I just call this Zach's blank graphic, it'll open up a blank project on the left-hand side, as well as a whole bunch of default palette categories. There will be other videos that explain what each of these folders do, as well as how to create your own palette categories. But this video is just how to simply create one. So if I go back to New Project, if I look at the Delta profile, the Delta profile has two layouts set up for you. And if you look, there's previews here. There's one with the navigation on the bottom and one with the navigation on the top. So the first one here, if I select the one with the navigation on the top and go choose and go Zach's Delta project and go OK, you can see if I click on index.dg5, I have a layout already set up for me. And if I go into preview and just click through these, I have graphics inside of here too. In order to edit these graphics, I need to go into edit mode, go to the graphics 1 to 5 folder, and click on each of them and start editing them. So on graphic 1, if I just delete the word graphic 1 and just bring in a VAV, for example, and go save. If I go back to my index page, if I just click around a bit, graphic 1 is a VAV. Graphic 2 still says graphic 2. So if I click on the graphic 2 page, and just delete this and just put a fan coil, for example, and save by going Control S or File Save. And if I go back to the index, you can see graphic 1 is a VAV, graphic 2 is a fan coil, graphic 3 is still just a blank page with the word graphic and the number on it. But you can just edit all of them here and the navigation is already set up for you. So if you want to add more buttons, this is a little restricted on how many you can add. But if I just click on 5 and go duplicate, it automatically creates a button on the right-hand side. And then I can just change it here by going 6. And then changing the location to graphic 6. And then I would have to create a new graphic here by just clicking on graphic 2, going File, Save As, in here, and call it graphic 6. So going back here, when I click on graphic 6, it opens up the graphic 6 graphic. All right, so that is how you create a project. Another profile that will appear on yours will be the graphics wizard profile. That has several videos dedicated to it, so just go on along and watch those videos.